Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making grilled potatoes. So let's get started. Wash your potatoes very well to remove the dirt and maybe germs. So once you're done with that, you cut into your preferred size and shape. However, you have to try to cut it smaller because the smaller the better, so it will cook easily. So once you're done with that, you can wash again if you so wish, and you can just grill straight away. So after doing that, you transfer into a pot or a container that will ease your mixing of the spice with them. So you will season mine with black pepper, salt to taste, my homemade carrot oil, the multipurpose spice mix, paprika, and some carrot powder. And you mix this thoroughly so as to allow the seasoning to get into the potatoes very well. Once you're done with this, you transfer into your baking pan, line it with aluminium foil or baking sheets. So you're going to be baking in a preheated oven for 45 minutes or more at 375 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. Ta-da! It's ready. 45 minutes is over. Here is it. Oh, this is so soft and yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly click the like button and subscribe to my channel.